All right, good morning, happy Monday. Let's jump right away into how am I feeling, how's the mindset. So, regular morning routine, cold shower, review my Friday recap video. Also has some additional time to review pretty much my key levels and chart for this upcoming week. Meditated, gratitude, goal, prayed, vision board. I listened to Bible tape on my way to jiu-jitsu, on my way back. Video journal, listen to I am affirmation, around 7:30, coffee, sunlight, and I also read for like 20 minutes and clocked in to work at 8:05. I went to sleep around last night around 8:30. Very nice night sleep. I woke up naturally at 3:30, feeling pretty good, feeling like a two. I always have a little bit of a sore body, but feeling really good today. Not bad. But let's jump into pretty much the overall market, the bigger time frame. So let's see what the market presents. So looking at SPY. So SPY is currently gapping above yesterday, Friday high a day. It's looking good, honestly, for some nice continuation higher. That's what the vibe is giving. It's currently gapping higher, so that's kind of like the move I'm looking for. It's just a nice continuation, maybe a pullback to yesterday high day for a nice bounce. Same thing with QQ, very similar scenario. Currently gapping above, so looking for that same move. But let's jump into pretty much the watch list. So today I'm gonna be paying attention to Nvidia, MU, and Netflix. I'm not really loving Nvidia, the volume and how we've been trading in a range, pretty much the entire morning. Yes, we are pretty much ranging between pre-market high and high a day, but not really loving its price action. But as I said, I want to pay more close attention because Nvidia has been showing some really clean price action in both direction. So it's gonna be pretty much, it has a designated area for me to watch it pretty much every single day, but not really loving it. But it is looking good. It's not looking bad. So I'm looking for a potential move, a break of pre-market high for a nice continuation to psychological level 900. And if we could break 900, we could see a nice continuation. That's kind of like the play I'm looking for. Looking at MU on the higher time frame, MU is having a really nice gap higher and it's showing some really nice bullish price action per market session. So yes, the volume per market session is not crazy high, but it's looking pretty damn good. So I think MU is going to be my primary watch for today unless something changes. But as of right now, it's looking really good. With this one, I want to pay attention to pretty much what price action tells me and pay attention to pretty much psychological levels above. But ideally, I want to see us above pre-market high for a continuation to this daily key level. And if we could break this daily key level like with no pretty much trouble, we could potentially see a move to this monthly key level. And then Netflix, I really like Netflix. It's setting up for a playbook trade, but the volume in pre-market session is pretty low. So for this one, main thing is I want to wait for volume to kick in and confirm and let me know that buyers are really interested on taking this price higher. But pretty much we are trading in the range. We're currently breaking into this gap fill area. So it's very simple. Just pretty much going for a gap fill area, but it is trading in the range. Pretty much 1 day continuation. And we also have a 1 hour bull flag, so it's looking pretty damn good. So as you can see here on the 1 hour, nice push, period consolidation for another leg higher. But again, I need to see volume kick in. But let's jump into the smaller time frame. So if we start off with Nvidia, as I wrote, I want to see us above pre-market high. But as I mentioned, we've been trading in the range. As you can see here, just trading in the range. So not loving that. While the market has been pushing higher and also pretty much SPY pushing higher, we just been trading in the range. So not loving that. But I do have it there. I am going to be paying attention just because, again, it has been showing some clean price action in both direction. But it's very simple. I like it more to the long side because it looks pretty bullish on the higher time frame. But because of its price action, I'm open-minded for both direction. But ideally, best case scenario, I want to see us be above pre-market high for a nice continuation higher for a move to pretty much 900 psychological level. And if we could break 900 to this daily key level. Looking at MU has been showing some really nice bullish price action, as I said, in pre-market session. So you just want to pay attention to price action, let it tell me the story. But obviously, I want to take it long if opportunity presents itself. So it's very simple. I want to see us above pre-market high for a move to pretty much the key level, 119.93 and psychological low 120. And if we could break that, I like it for a move to monthly key level 122.46. So it's looking pretty good. As you can see, nice gap higher, showing some really nice strength in pre-market session. And last but not least, Netflix. So with Netflix, as I said, I do consider this to be a playbook, but only if volume kicks in. That's only if. So as you can see here, we had and pretty much that's the only downside, the volume, but it's setting up really, really nice. We are holding above pretty much the gap fill area start. We're holding above yesterday high a day. We're making a new weekly high already, so it's looking pretty good. Like a lot of things are lining up. The only thing that is not ideal is the volume. So just want to make sure that I'm patient and wait for it to kick in. So a break above pre-market high for a move to psychological low 585, 590, 595, and potentially daily key level at 597. So pretty much ATR with Netflix is almost 17 points. So we could potentially see that move to that level. And again, I need to be patient and wait for volume to kick in. And also, as I wrote here, I need to remind myself that the spreads on Netflix contract are pretty wide, so I need to be cautious. And meaning risk tends to be a little bit higher, so I will need to be size down if opportunity presents itself. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And the volume is not crazy high, so as you can see here, so we got Nvidia pretty low, pretty low. So not really loving even the volume. MU, yes, is above average, but not ideal. And Netflix is pretty low. So as of right now, what I like the most is MU, but let's see what the pretty much the market presents today. As always, going to be patient. We're going to wait for